Hello folks, today I am bringing you a quick unboxing of my brand new ASUS external Blu-ray drive, which I will be connecting to my PC to make various backups and also to rip my Blu-ray movie collection onto my media server. And just a brief disclaimer, I purchased this drive with my own money. It is not a sponsored video in any way, shape or form. So without any further ado, let's crack on with the unboxing. So in comparison to some other external Blu-ray drives that you can connect to your computer, the ASUS Turbo drive I would say is definitely a more premium model. Hence the reason why this one is a little bit bigger in its size. It just has a number of additional features. For example, as you can see, it has M-Disc support. Now, if you are not familiar with this is Millennial Disc, and it's a type of Blu-ray disc you can purchase which will last much longer than a typical Blu-ray disc. The write speed to these discs is a little bit slower at a maximum speed of 8 rather than 16 for standard Blu-ray discs. But you are getting the peace of mind with an M-Disc that it is going to be far more robust and just last a lot longer, as I say. So great if you are trying to make backups of your family albums or just other important data. Although, just to clarify, M-Discs themselves are a different disc to standard Blu-ray discs, so make sure you are picking up the correct ones if this is what you want to use. And finally, just before we open the box, this drive is compatible with both Mac and Windows. Right, and inside we actually get this telling us what is included. The cables are in here. We'll come back to that in a moment. First, let's take a look at the drive itself. Okay, well, my initial impressions here is that this is a really interesting design. So we have this accented panel here on the top. The drive is made of what feels to be a durable plastic. We have the front of the enclosure here, along with the Blu-ray disc logo. And there are some rubberized feet in order to protect any surfaces that this rests upon. So just turning things over to the back here, we can see we have the USB 3 connection. This is actually a USB 3.1 connection. Over here we have the power connector and the on-off switch. The only thing I might say is that this glossy plastic cover here feels like something that may pick up fingerprints quite easily, but not the whole enclosure is encased in that, as you can see. Also inside the box we have the instruction manuals and warranty cards, and we have a software CD. However, it would appear that this software is only for Windows, despite the fact the drive is also compatible with Mac. And then finally, in this box, as I mentioned, power leads, USB cable. It looks like a proprietary connector actually for the USB, so don't lose this. And there's the power brick as well. So there we have it, the full unboxing. So there we have it then folks, the external Blu-ray disc drive from ASUS. I'm really looking forward to getting this thing hooked up now and pushing it through its paces. Thank you for watching. I hope this unboxing helped.